Like slow like you're not ready, you know. But as I said, every house is a one person, you know. When I have 2 and 3 cook for Ina, so I cook for myself. And if the brother come along and get some and I saw it work, but then I cook them for waste, you understand? So we have budget the cooking. And without delay, the oil come up pot. And when the oil come up the pot, you know where to boil this fish. In this, where you go put the food, you understand? You don't have no much space and you don't want no much space. 2 dumpling and piece of yam. Yeah, so it's been some time. What we are going to do? Yeah, I'm going to hold some rims. Me, myself and I. And before we go any further, please, when you finish watching this video, I want you to run go over Arts and Craft with Mark. You're gonna see a little guy in a green suit. That's my nephew. Show him all the love in the world. Tell him say Gangster Ras or Anti-Gangster Ras Senior. You understand? Big up for that too. Please and thanks. Just there I go and hold out. I eat some breakfast though. Oh. I eat some breakfast and I cook a bag of food for you, so there. So I see when they look on me, look through the window at the trees, give you a different vibe, you know. So we inside. As we tell you, it's an oil come up pot, so we know wait for pot for bubble. Oh, and it look pretty and dry and look funny. Easy on my mother. Can't send mom to go in church bell. Made that. That was I am the wood still. What you look like. So that's a plus. See what? Cut up. Yeah. So then easy pack. easy when you want to hot meal, because you know easy and everybody ever do it as fast as me. But you know, I'm just here to string you along. So I put all this right now. So then I'm gonna add some sea salt. We're not gonna put much because we already put the saltfish in the pot, so you know you have to be kinda, yeah. That will do. Gradually add water. Can't do it one time because you know, you do spoil dumpling, spoil the flour. Then you have to go add and then you know cook more than you want it to cook. It's not me, love. Die. You are tight, brother. Ooh, don't do that. Water bubble over on the stove. Not everybody make it like this. This is how I need make my dumplings. You put them into the pot each time. Some people do like this. I don't see the beauty in that. My food has to be presentable. So, me like that with my belly. When you see a dumpling them and they look dirty looking, you know, I get Rasta to eat them. Yeah. So this is the close up, right? Sure if you have a belly full and you're sure say it hot and clean, right? Alright. So I'll frying up that now. Put in some oil in my pot. Good old black pepper. I don't too like when the seasoning is fried out, the saltfish and the seasoning fried out too much, as it already boiled, so already cooked for me. So these are the onion and you have scotch bonnet there, so you have tomato and the saltfish pick up in a small pieces. So you know, say drop that in that pot. Then sprinkle like this. Now I'm going to stop it all to get the here, so. Yeah, you can fry up anything. The saltfish are fry up and the food them ready and thing. And I'm gonna jerk down. Saltfish ready. Pop, go on in a pot there. So you know, so that ready now, Christ. Not twice. Yeah. Bad people plate. More than two dumpling. Yeah, I'm looking at the onion too white too. I'm going to see the taste first. Any would attack. Watch you, man. Watch them, man. Yeah. So you know the jogging's done. Food time. Come in and chew up the juice and a little water. God. Don't blow it. So what I want you to do now, if you never subscribe already, please do so. Click the notification bell so you know when the chopper on down. But until then, next time then, we out. Oh, like, comment and share. Big up on yourself.